A long time ago, there was lived a boy named Rodney in a place. He was very happy with his family, but his happiness could not last for long. Rodney and his fellow villagers faced a severe drought. They desperately waited for rain, but with no luck. All the crops, land and even trees dried up. The cattle started drying as there was no rain. The stream was drying up slowly. One night, during a meeting with the villagers, Rodney said, "Friends, we all have had tales from our grandparents about an underground river flowing through our place. Why don't we dig and see?" The villagers agreed and started digging. They dug for some days, but gave up soon. However, Rodney kept on digging. When people told him to give up, he said, "God is helping and guiding my way." One day, when he had dug deep enough, Rodney saw water. His attitude of not giving up saved the whole place. Never give up so easily, Rodney advised all the villagers. Now they are never short of water, and whenever any problem arises, all the villagers come up together and find a solution.